Can altcoins be your golden ticket to financial independence? Welcome to the thrilling world of altcoins, a universe teeming with potential for astronomical returns. These digital currencies, nestled comfortably outside the Bitcoin limelight, offer opportunities that can be as rewarding as they are risky. But don't fret. With strategic buying and safe practices, these risks can be mitigated. It's a game of diversification and strategy, not luck. So are you ready to dive deep into this intriguing sphere? Discover how to navigate this exciting yet complex landscape. So, what exactly are altcoins? Well, to put it simply, altcoins are all cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin. The term altcoin is a blend of two words, alternative and coin. As Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to exist, all others that followed are considered its alternatives. Altcoins play a significant role in the vast cryptocurrency market. They provide an alternative to Bitcoin, offering different features, uses, and benefits. Some aim to improve on the perceived limitations of Bitcoin, while others seek to fill different needs entirely. Imagine a bustling marketplace, filled with stalls offering all sorts of goods. Bitcoin is like the grand central stall that first drew the crowds. But around it are countless other stalls, each offering something different, something unique. These are the altcoins, the myriad alternatives to Bitcoin. With thousands of altcoins, each with their own unique selling points, how do you choose where to invest? Well, stay tuned because we're about to dive into that. Buying altcoins isn't as complicated as it seems. First things first, you'll need to choose a secure and reputable exchange. This is your trading platform, your gateway to the world of altcoins. Look for exchanges that have a solid track record, top-notch security measures, and a wide variety of altcoins. Once you've found your exchange, it's time to set up an account. This process is usually straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information, verify your identity, and set up two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Remember, your exchange account is as valuable as the altcoins you'll be buying, so make sure it's as secure as possible. Now comes the exciting part, deciding on an altcoin. There's a whole universe of alternatives to Bitcoin out there, each with its own unique features and potential for growth. Do your research, understand what makes each coin tick, and choose the one that aligns with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Once you've made your choice, it's time to place an order. This is where you specify how much of the altcoin you want to buy and at what price. You can go for a market order, where you buy at the current market price, or a limit order, where you set a specific price at which you want to buy. The choice is yours. After your order is filled, you will officially be the owner of some shiny new altcoins. But don't celebrate just yet. Your new digital assets need a safe home, and that's where a secure wallet comes in. There are many types of wallets out there, from online wallets to hardware wallets. Choose one that provides the level of security and convenience you're comfortable with. Remember to always keep your wallet keys private and safe. Losing them is akin to losing your altcoins forever. And voila, you've purchased your first altcoin. Now you're not just a spectator in the world of cryptocurrencies, you're an active participant. And who knows, your chosen altcoin might just be the next big thing. Investing in altcoins is not a game of chance. It's a strategic endeavor that requires thorough research. You wouldn't buy a car without knowing its features or a house without inspecting its foundations, would you? The same principle applies to altcoin investments. Understanding the substance behind the coin, its technology, use case, team, and market sentiment is imperative. Moreover, diversifying your investments is a golden rule in this digital currency world. By spreading your investments across different coins, you mitigate risks and increase potential returns. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Another key rule is to only invest what you can afford to lose. The altcoin market is volatile and unpredictable. High returns are enticing, but losses are equally possible. Lastly, remember to regularly monitor the market. Conditions can change rapidly, and staying informed allows you to make timely decisions. Remember, strategic and safe buying is the key to success in the altcoin market. Diversification and strategic buying, your allies in the altcoin market. We've journeyed through the exciting terrain of altcoins, gaining insights into their nature, the buying process, and the golden rules of investment. Remember, understanding is power. The more you know, the less risky your investments become. With this knowledge, you are now ready to dive into the thrilling world of altcoins. Remember, fortune favors the bold, but it also favors the prepared.